Big news for Nevada County homeowners. There's new funding to repair or replace manufactured and mobile homes. Through the MORE program, lower-income residents in mobile home parks can apply for help with major repairs or even full replacements if the home was built before 1976. Priority goes to homes with safety issues, accessibility needs, or energy upgrades. To qualify, your income must be at or below 80% of the area median. For example, that's up to about $58,000 for one person or $83,000 for a family of 4. Applications are open now, first come, first served. Don't wait, visit the Nevada County Housing and Community Services website to apply. This program is all about keeping families safe, secure, and in their homes. Did you qualify and you're looking to buy a new home? Click on the link in the description or go to this bit.ly link today.